Hello, hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Today, we're taking a look at the Uminy Magic Keyboard Case and seeing if it can give your iPad that perfect blend of productivity, protection, and a little bit of desk setup magic. You know I love a good tech accessory that doesn't just sit there looking pretty, but actually makes life easier. And this keyboard case definitely changes the way the iPad feels and functions. This case is compatible with the iPad Air 13-inch, which I'm demonstrating here, and the iPad Pro 12.9-inch models. Inside the package, you get the USB-C charging cable, the protective back shell, and the detachable magnetic keyboard with built-in trackpad. One of the first things I notice is the flexibility of the design. The 360-degree rotating hinge lets you move your iPad into different positions depending on how you want to use it. Whether you're working, relaxing, creating, or just browsing, you can adjust it to match what you're doing. Another feature I really appreciate is the adjustable slide rail. Being able to raise or lower the screen gives you so much more control over your viewing position, which is especially nice when you're spending a lot of time at your desk. The magnetic keyboard is where this case really starts to shine. When I need a more productive setup, I attach the keyboard and it instantly feels more like a laptop workstation. But when I want the simplicity of a tablet, I can simply detach it and keep using my iPad as a tablet without having to take the whole case off. Let's talk about the keyboard itself, because the typing experience does matter. The scissor-style keys feel very comfortable and responsive while still staying quiet enough for places like coffee shops, classrooms, offices, or anywhere that you don't want your keyboard announcing your arrival. The backlighting is such a fun little touch. You get 7 different color options along with adjustable brightness, which means you can customize the look depending on your mood and workspace. The built-in multi-touch trackpad is another feature that makes this feel much closer to using a laptop. Scrolling, swiping between apps, and multitasking feels smooth and natural, and it makes navigating the iPad so much easier. I also love that they included a dedicated holder for your Apple Pencil or stylus. It's one of those small details that makes a big difference because your accessories actually have a place instead of disappearing into the chaos of your desk or work bag. And can we talk about the aesthetic? Because you know how I appreciate when technology also looks good. The sleek design and soft finish give this case a really clean, modern feel, and it looks beautiful sitting on my desktop setup. Overall, I think the Magic Keyboard Case is a great option if you want to get more out of your iPad. It gives you the flexibility of a tablet while adding the comfort and convenience of a laptop-style setup, all while keeping that sleek tech aesthetic that we love. I received this product as a gift in exchange for my honest review, and every opinion here is completely my own. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think. Are you an iPad-only person, or do you love adding accessories to turn your tech into a full workstation? Until next time, keep your gadgets glowing and your tech collection growing.